Hello friends, today I'll show you how to add background image on Google Earth. Actually, currently I'm using the green background, green color. Now, if you want to change this color instead of image, then you need to click on this layer, background layer. Now open the new this layer and this background layer. First of all, page, then deep, then background color. Now I'll change this background color. Okay. So now I'll an image just drag here and define the size. This is the background image inside. Now I'm back the previous panel page. Now it is working as the background image. If I play, it's working good. If I preview the Chrome, I think it's still. That's it. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.